Hey guys, Twist Out Detail. Please subscribe and also comment. And if you have anything that you would like to give me advice on or criticism, perfectly fine. Just yeah, go forward. This is an F-150. I was super excited about this car because this was a full package. Customer getting ready to sell, and basically with that, it's for engine cleaning, exterior paint, wash, detar, buff wax. And then you have the interior that's going to be a full, just it's the standard, you blow everything out, you scrub it down, you shampoo it, you get between the seats, you get under the seats. This one, I didn't have to wrench the seats out to actually make sure that it was complete. They're a very clean customer. They just had a lot of dirt and grime just kind of like caked around. With that, again, please like, subscribe, and enjoy.